Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 16th, 2025, we're analyzing ETHUSD, combining the latest news with detailed chart analysis to uncover potential trading opportunities. Recent news indicates Ethereum's price is around $2,548, showing minor fluctuations. We will see how the chart data matches this. Reports suggest institutional interest remains strong, with some analysts projecting ETH to reach staggering valuations long-term. However, we also see reports of spot Ether ETF outflows after a period of inflows, creating mixed signals. Let's see if the one-day chart can give us more clear signals. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of considerable volatility throughout 2024 and into early 2025. From the beginning of the year to about March 2024, we see a clear bull trend. Then in March, we have high volatility and a large sell-off around the middle of the month. April through June 2024, we see another, smaller bull trend. Zooming into a smaller range of the one-day chart, from the beginning of 2025, we can see ETH has failed to repeat the high valuations it reached in early 2024. Ethereum saw a large dip in early February 2025, and although it attempted a recovery, it did not reach previous all-time highs. Since then, it's mostly been a downward trend, with some small bull movements, but failing to maintain its gains and selling off again. Today, June 16, 2025, it seems ETH is attempting to hold steady at the 3,500 price point. Now, let's look at the one-hour chart, focusing on recent market action. On the one-hour chart, we can see even more details of the recent selling action. Currently, there's no clear indication of a strong reversal. We're bouncing around the 2,500 to 2,800 range. It's going to be hard to tell if this will continue or not. We need to keep an eye on it. However, on the 15-minute chart, we may be able to get some more insight. On the 15-minute chart, it appears that ETH had a small rally in the morning, then sold off around 2000 hours Universal Time Coordinated. Zooming in close, we can see a minor rally attempting to form on the 15-minute chart. If it holds, this may be a bullish signal. However, this pattern would likely need to retest the previous resistance and break through to confirm any bull trend, but even then it could easily sell off again. It thus seems to be at a crossroads. In summary, here are the key price levels to watch. Holding above $2,500 is crucial for ETH. A sustained break below this level could signal further downside, potentially testing the $2,100 support zone mentioned in news reports. On the upside, breaking above $2,800 could open the door to retesting the $3,000s. However, given the current market volatility, this scenario seems less likely in the short term. The likelihood of ETH reaching $740,000 as suggested by some reports remains a very long-term, optimistic outlook. In the shorter term, be cautious and watch for confirmations before making any trading decisions. Remember to manage your risk. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.